How to fix Bumble app connection problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. So after click on apps, scroll down and search Bumble app from here. So you will see Bumble app is here, so click on Bumble app. So if you want to fix Bumble connection problem, so click on story and click on clear cache. And after click on clear cache, click on clear data. So after the process, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, go back to home screen and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. So after turn off flight mode, you will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Mumble connection problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.